We're delighted to be here at the Chullora Workshop today. We've just moved Locomotive 3820 into the workshop space here, and we'll be undertaking a restoration project to return it to display condition for display at the New South Wales Rail Museum. 3820 is one of the remaining of the 38 class. It's the most complete in terms of its heritage values and heritage significance, and now it only seems fitting that this project come here for the team to work on.
This is a very exciting moment. This is the first time we've had 3820 out of Thirlmere. It's been down there about 50 years. It's come up here today, and we are going to do our very best to conserve it. It feels really good because this is the last 38 that hasn't been touched since it came out of traffic. I'm very honoured really to be involved in this project, and I want to see it come out of this workshop looking absolutely brilliant, so that it can showcase the best of New South Wales Railways and put it on display down there as something that we can show future generations what these magnificent engines were all about.